This is the easiest way to build authority to your blog post in just a few minutes. So what am I talking about here? What's this simple hack that you can use? All it is adding user thoughts and experience to your post in order to demonstrate a diverse range of experience. So how do you actually do this? Demonstrate that diverse range of experience. And what does that mean? So literally what you're going to do is have your topic or your product or whichever service you provide. You're going to talk about it like you're doing in your blog post, right? You're doing that. What you're going to do is put that topic into YouTube, and then you're going to find a YouTube video where there's lots of comments so you can get the user thoughts, experience on that topic or that product or your service that you offer. So here's an example. So let's just say you're trying to rank the keyword, should I buy a Steam Deck? Here's a bunch of videos. So here's one. And does it have lots of comments? Yes, it does. And literally all you're going to do is copy a bunch of these comments, and don't worry about getting in a bunch of other stuff. The AI will sort it out. Copy that, and then I'll leave a link to this tool in the description below. As you can see, I've already done this before. So you're going to paste in the comments, and then you're going to put in the video title. After that, you're going to hit run app, and it's going to give you a bunch of like different pain points and concerns. It's all about giving a consensus on what's happening. And this video is playing. Alright, back to it. So this guy this was about rediscovering game libraries. So users highlight the joy of revisiting older games from the Steam libraries, emphasizing that the Steam Deck allows them to enjoy gameplay. So here's a quote: "If you're like me and you have over 20 years of Steam games, you will love rediscovering your libraries." And that even talks to a pain point, because you're a gamer, you've got like a load of games in your library and you've always wanted to play it, but you haven't got around to it. This is going to want to push you to buy that. So what do you do there? So literally you're going to copy this quote, copy that quote, and literally you're going to put in first of all a subtitle, and you've got to remember that Google's going to read your page. Can't even talk today. So here's a bit of context. So I copy and pasted my content here, my homepage content, and I put it into Google Gemini, and I asked it, what kind of experience does this page display, and give me some recommendations. And here's the experience provided that this Google's own AI is telling us. So a proven track record, it highlights successful projects, emphasizing proven methods, high quality work, and a manual approach. I've put those words in my page. Expertise, emphasizes experience working with various businesses, enterprise, local, niche, B2B, e-commerce. And if you look at my page, where is it? Here you go. I've demonstrated that right here. So you've got to write in a certain way that demonstrates it. So I've just put as a subheading, after research, here's what users of the Steam Deck have to say. So I put in quotes, so you literally can just click on create a new box, right, by spacing it, press that plus icon, click on quote, and you'll be able to add a quote right there. So I literally just pasted it in here and then just put dash Bab Rayleigh, right? I just came up with a random name. Now, even though this guy's name isn't that, it doesn't really matter, they're not going to know. So you can even take it a step further, add a bit more context. So we've been doing research on the internet, surveying users of the Steam Deck, get that in capitals, and here's what experienced users have to say after playing on the Steam Deck, along with their recommendations. So you're giving it a bit more context here. I can just bold it just to try and make it look better, and then you're literally just going to put in your quotes right here, right there. So I'm just going to save it, and here's what it looks like after research. Here's what users of the Steam Deck have to say. We've been doing research on the internet, surveying users of the Steam Deck, and here's what experienced users have to say after playing the Steam Deck, along with recommendations. I know if you pause this video and actually read this sentence, it makes no sense whatsoever, but I was doing it on the fly, trying to do it quickly, trying to save you some time, okay? So I put the quote there. If you're like me and have 20 years of Steam games, you will love rediscovering your library, in quotes. Put the name there, and you're literally just going to add a bunch of quotes that make sense, and you can make it look pretty. Now, one thing not to do is use it as images. So for example, putting your quote in an image, then uploading the image. We want it in text here, right? You can add the CSS and make it look pretty, add a persona to it, so you can use this person does not exist. So you can literally add some images in there if you really want. This is AI generated, it's a free site. and overall you can make it look better. And then what you should do is literally copy and paste your content, put it into Google Gemini, right? Remember, this is Google's own AI tool, and ask it, what kind of experience does this page demonstrate? And I guarantee you it's going to spit out something along the lines of the kind of experience it demonstrates is of different users testing and playing on the Steam Deck, right? Also, yes, I know this page isn't about Steam Deck, it's about countertops and stuff, but I wanted to give a quick example, right? Trying to save you some time here. And if you want access to this tool, it is free. You just have to sign up to this tool, but it's free to use. I personally built it, won't charge you a penny to use. And if you're serious about growing your business with SEO, I'd recommend checking out this page. Play this video, it's 2 minutes long. You can check out some of my client results. And all this pages is basically, it's about booking a one-on-one consultation about myself. You'll get a pre-questionnaire, and then I'll do the in-depth analysis of your site. Then we'll set a date to hop on a call. I'll present that below, and by the end of it, you'll know exactly what to do. And we could also have the chance in working together if we're the right fit. If we're not, doesn't really matter. You'll know exactly what your next steps are, what to do. It's a great way to clarify a lot of things for you. And if you're interested in these types of videos where they're a bit more untapped, I would say, a bit more untapped methods, and it's coming from someone who's actually experienced over 8 years doing SEO, leading the SEO for multiple marketing agencies. And I'll see you in the next video.